What's going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another vlog. Today is an upper body workout. Pulling up to the gym right now, so let's get it. That's the motto, right? You're good. That's the one I shrunk. Yeah. It used to be bigger.
Oh, yeah.
All right, what did we add? 10 pounds, so at 130, 155. Sucks, I don't have a spotter.
I know.
Next exercise is the bench press, 155 pounds, 4 sets of 8. All right, guys, we just finished up at the gym, and now it is time for a post-workout. Let's get it. Oh, there goes my boy. You hear that car? All right, let's do it. All right, guys, so my post-workout meal is going to be some oats, and now I'm going to show you what toppings I use for them. So first things first, I'm going to use these peanut butter crunch cereal bars that I made in a previous video. If you guys want the recipe to these, I'm going to put that in the top right corner. These are really good, marshmallowy, sweet, and peanut buttery. Next, I'm gonna add some chopped dates. I got 2 dates chopped. And then I'm gonna add a nice, good tablespoon of some peanut butter, probably a little more than a tablespoon. And then a sprinkle of hemp seeds. And some walnuts. And of course, for a little extra sweetness, we're gonna add some raisins. All right, let's dig in.